Little learners.
Welcome back, our little learners. Let's learn the basic shapes together. Hello and circle, round and bright, rolling, spinning day and night. No sharp corners, just one line, bouncing, dancing, feeling fine. Examples for me are color wheel, coin, button, and hula hoop. Hello, I'm triangle, pointy and sharp, three sides strong like a musical harp. Up the hills and down we slide, with three cool corners, come for the ride. Examples for me are pizza slice, hanger, top of the roof, and nachos. Hello, I'm rectangle, tall and wide, with my straight edges I'm filled with pride. Two sides long and two sides small, I'm steady and strong, never fall. Examples for me are door, book, chocolate bar, and TV. Hello, I'm square, neat and fair, four sides equal everywhere. I stack up high, I stack up low, steady and balanced, watch me go. Examples for me are chessboard, floor tile, carom board, and postage stamp. Hello, I'm oval, round and neat, like an egg or a tasty treat. No corners here, just a gentle curve, rolling along with every curve. Examples for me are egg, rugby ball, balloon, and watermelon.